Hello boys and girls, Ice Cream Gecko here. Today we're taking a look at the Stanley Adventure Cook Kit, Cook Set, the Steel Cooker plus the nesting cubs. I don't know. It's here though, it's here, and we are going to take a close look at it today. I've never used this. This just arrived in the mail like, let's check my watch, 30 minutes ago. Something around that, and I'm a bit excited. Of course, it's hardcore procrastinating that I'm doing right now. I have to study for an exam, but I'm instead unboxing camping utensils. I like it though. I'm going to give you a close look at the labeling on the outside so that you can see what's up written on there. Like this, yeah, should be in focus. Hope so. And also thank you, Stanley, for putting even metric measurement units on there. 591 milliliters. I want to have it up to that point. Exactly. Okay, of course, the little tab on here. Many people seem to actually remove this right when they get it, but then again, I'm going to use this with the with the Trangia alcohol stove, and I don't think this is gonna get as hot as, you know, the melting point of plastic. I don't think so. I won't go and put this into a fire and just leave it there. No, that's not really my thing. Oh, we've got a little instruction manual right here. Let's see what is written inside of there, if it's too much to read out loud. Shut up, tablet. Where is it? Here it is. You can read that on your own if you like. There we go. Yeah, pause the video if you want to read that. If not, then we've got something in common. There we go. There we have our little two cups right here, and that's quite interesting. I thought this pot is going to be bigger, and I thought these cups are being a bit smaller, but I guess that's not really a bad thing. This seems to be a healthy single serving meal size. I have to drop some kilos still, so that's good for me. Although, you know, while these things seem to be sturdy enough, they are a bit, well, I do not like those insulated cups, and I guess that's what they right here are. I just like to have a feeling of the temperature of the thing inside of there. So yeah, that's that. Two of them right here. Of course they sit right there like this, nothing special about it, and that's the look into the bottom of the thing. So 20 euros is what I paid for this little kit, and I have to say that's not too bad. There are many like stainless steel cups out there. They are costing 13, 14, 15 euros alone, let alone without a lid, without anything. So I think the price for this 20 euros is okay, and I'm certainly looking forward to cooking some stuff with it. Now let's see if something fits in here that I also recently bought for the camping purpose. There we go, the Trangia burner. Let's see, does it fit to the... It fits into the cup, and it then fits into the pot as well. But now, of course, we can't put that in there. But we could put this... But nah, I'm only going to use this with one cup, I guess. You know, the second one. I've got no friends, I've got no... No, I'm just going to use this alone. That sounded a bit sadder than it actually is. I'm not that bad off, don't worry. I think I'm actually going to put this inside of here and then drop it inside of there and put some other stuff on top of it. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to keep this in a plastic bag because I don't want to have alcohol, well, spirit fumes ruining all the stuff that's inside of there. Don't want to have it coating the walls either. But that is going to be it for this video, I guess. There's not much more to talk about. I mean, you can read what's on the package right there, and since I don't have any experience with this product, I cannot give any resume on this. This was the unboxing of the Stanley steel cooker with the nesting cups inside. And on this, it is time to end. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate it, and if you want, you can also leave a comment in the comment section below. That's it for this week. See you next week. Bye.